Are you tired of your hair sticking up?
Yeah.
Not anymore.
Really?
If you get a spray and change it, your hair will be able to fix itself with the click of a button.
How does it work?
All you need to do is press the button. Tell the bottle if you want it straight, wavy, or curly. If your hair won't stay down like Madison, press the button and say flatten.
I'm going to try it. Flatten.
1 minute later, beep,
It's time to spray. How does it look? Did it work?
Yes, it did.
The spray and change it really works.
Do you ever look like this?
Yes.
Well, you won't look like this after you use Spray It and Change It. Call 1-800-SPRAY. This is a TV offer only. Call now and get the product for $19.99. You have to be 18 years or older to call.